but hold on. I didn't have time to stop at Lowe's because I wasn't going to be in town, so I had them deliver my grease and my grease gun. But the grease gun came and they said, your grease is ready for pickup in the store. Apparently they can't ship grease, or they just made a mistake. I don't know which. I didn't pick it up yet. I don't have time. But I was in the area of a Tractor Supply, so I got some of that for greasing the tractor for the 10-hour maintenance on the loader. Even though I didn't use the loader itself for 10 hours, I didn't take it off, so it doesn't hurt to get a little extra grease in there in case it was light from the factory. So you notice that that's not touching in there. It was kind of hard to hook it up. So they had the class 2 one used, and that pin's too big for the class 1. So I bought another pin. Let's see if that works. Looks like it's not quite adjusted right. I think that's how it's supposed to be on the lower pin, not the upper pin. Raise it up a little bit so I can get at those bolts. Also, looks like that bolt's loose or stripped or something. So hopefully I can make that work. Issues. This loosened up. It's the stop for this. And I think the rest of it got lost. I'll have to look at. And like the first day, that little 4-wheel drive thing came off the knob, but I'll glue that. Pumped some stuff into there. And this thing is stripped out. Let's check this. I was wondering now if it was actually ever checked. That sounds good. Dipstick.